PorchiaNicole here, and I am back with another video. So I know y'all be missing me. Y'all be getting all the messages, and I know I always come back after being gone for a long time and say, I know y'all been missing me and I ain't gonna be gone long, but y'all, I am always gone. I'm telling y'all, I be busy, okay? I be busy at work. I be working, okay? Stalking me. Y'all want to stalk me? How about you stalk my business, my business, and go check it out? Shoot. Hey, support your girl. I just finished doing my makeup and I'm about to do my hair, and I want to do my hair in some crimps. I think I had my hair crimped like last week, and a lot of y'all, if you follow me on Snap or Instagram, because from Instagram stories, you seen that I had my hair crimped, and a lot of y'all asked, did I pay to get it crimped? Because you know I usually go get my hair done, but no, I actually had crimped it myself. I used to crimp my hair like way back in the day, y'all, like in high school. I'm pretty sure if I look back in some of my photo albums, I can find me with some crimps in my head. So like I said, so I'm just gonna get ready to crimp my hair. It is kind of like a long process, so it's not really like something that you can do like really fast. And I ain't even gonna lie, I do it the quick way, because I don't even sit here and crimp like every get in there real good in a piece. I do just enough to get by. Okay, these my crimps, you hear me? So yeah, this hair was provided by Hairspells here. It is 180% density, so it is really full, you guys. It is really full. It is really thick. Mostly sometimes when you get wig, they be like 120, 130. So I thought, so this was 180, and I don't even think it was extra for 180. I feel like the wig was, the choice was 180. So I was like, okay, wig. And it is 24 inches, but you guys, I really honestly feel like this wig is longer than 24 inches, because I wear 24 on a daily, but like on a normal basis, I wear 24, and this hair is like really long. It's like on my butt, as y'all can see. So I feel like this is longer than 24, but I was like, I ain't complaining, you know. I ain't complaining if you want to be like a 26. But boo-boo moment. I'm tripping. It was 24-inch curly, so clearly I straightened it so it got longer. Right. So yeah, like it is Cambodian hair. That's the, you know, hair texture Cambodian. You know, I'm a little exotic out here, you know what I'm saying, a little foreign or whatever. So the parting space on the hair for the frontal part is not that big, so I'm gonna try to show y'all in the video what I mean about the parting space. It's like this particular wig is only good if you're gonna wear a middle part. If you want to wear a side part, you're not gonna be able to, because the parting space is only like right here. To me, it's kind of like a closure, like a smaller closure, because it's only like this much parting space, and then when you start coming to the frontal come forward like this. So if I wanted a side part, it's not enough, because it doesn't go all the way back. Honestly, the lingo for it is like front 13 by 4, 5, 6. You know, it's a small frontal. I wasn't able to get a side part, and y'all know side parts is my jam, honey. And so yeah, so if you are a middle part type of girl, then this wig will be perfect for you. The middle part will be perfect and all of that. So you guys, I'm just starting to crimp the hair, and basically I just spray it with this is some Chi iron guard. It's some hairspray, and then I just crimp. And when you're crimping, you just gotta get the technique down. So it's just like, you will see like the wave pattern. So when you do the bottom wave, when you get ready to go to the next wave, you just put that top barrel on that bottom wave, and boom, bitch. And honestly, I wear these so loose, I don't even leave them on there so long. I just be going, because this shit literally about to take you 30 minutes, if not longer than that. Bullshit. Y'all, if y'all like my earrings, down on my website, hotculture.com. Getting it be like, I feel like the guys to be crimps it better, like the hold is better. basically like one side of it. And then like I don't wear it thick like that. Like I break them up, so that's basically, you know, what it look like. And this is pretty much like how I like to wear it, you know. Like I would comb all the waves out of it because I just like it to be just a little wavy, like not too big. So yeah, this is how I like to do it. This is how I like to do it. And I usually wear it like this for like 2 days and then I put it back in the bun. So I normally only do this on the weekend so I don't have to put my hair in the bun when I go to work. I can just leave it like this and just put my big bonnet on and call it a day. So yeah, you guys, this is basically how I crimp my hair. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. You know, make sure you subscribed if you watched it this long. And don't forget to go check out hotculture.com. That is my baby, my website. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.